What's up, y'all? It's your boy Playboy back here again with another garden update review. So I've been growing green peppers inside of a greenhouse. They've been in there since about August, September. So they're finally just really producing. You can check the little short that I did and you can see how small they were versus what there will be now. So I'm going to take you how they have grown. I cut them yesterday. So I harvested them yesterday. And so I'm just going to, it's not that many. I had some more, but whatever that was in there killed them. Like bugs killed them and stuff like that. So other than that, the rest of them went to the compost. But they're finally good for the harvest. The mystery plant that I have that's outside the fence, that seems to be, I don't know, it might be a tomato. It may be a tomato plant. Still not sure. I moved it into the greenhouse today as well. So the next slides, I'm just going to show you how big the cucumbers have gotten. And also, we have picked some more collard greens. And I got to take y'all out there to see how the other greens are looking as well, too. All right, so these are all the peppers that I ended up getting. They ended up growing. Look, see, that one's no good. This is no good. This is what I mean, the bugs are gotten to them. So I went ahead and got the ones that I can get off. But I made it. This might be another one, bad one here. But this is the first time of growing peppers. So I am impressed and I am proud of myself because I never thought I could do this myself, but I'm able to do it. And I'm getting really good at it. These are the collard greens that I picked. Now, this is, I believe, what I said last time, number 8. So this will be the 9th pickings from these collards. So these are going to be real good. Might find somebody to give these to because I got plenty of them in the freezer already. So, yeah, it's just amazing me. 9 times out of these same vials. I'm finna take y'all outside so you can see how that looks. All right, y'all, so this is that mystery plant that we had outside the fence. Still don't know what it is. Look like it could be a tomato, but I'm not sure. These are the green pepper plants. I still have them. Some are still growing. Like there's one back there. If you can see, there's some there. I didn't pick those because they're kind of small. Hopefully they'll get bigger. Also, we got our aloe plant in here as well. See, it started to die off or something, so I don't know what happened with that. But yeah, but it's still alive. Look at that. See, I don't know what is this. I don't know. These are the collard greens. After this will be number 10 if we get to it. They're still growing. I just clipped them. And look, this looks like that other tree. It might be a tomato, but I don't understand how. Because you see where the roots are coming from. They're coming right off of the collard green. And right here we are back outside the road. We got broccoli. Still hasn't started producing any broccoli, but the leaves are doing good. They're healthy right there. Everything's doing good. These are our champion greens, collard greens. So they are rolling too. So we'll have some more greens growing eventually. And these are sweet peas. I don't see any peas on them yet, but those are the sweet peas. This is the other mystery plant. I planted these, supposed to be onions, but it looked like an onion and a tomato mix. So if y'all know what that is, please let me know in the comment what y'all think this is supposed to be. Zoom in on it so y'all can see. See, it looks like a tomato, but it's not. It's not soft like a tomato. But let me know what you think about it in the comments below. Here are our sweet potatoes after we harvest them again. So now they're just back in the ground doing it again. The same goes with the white potatoes. I replanted the roots, give it some fertilizer, and we're good to go. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and make sure you follow and turn on post notifications so you can always catch when I go live. And as always, I'll catch y'all in the next one. Peace.